All right, so these are just my mini croissants that I have in my 13 by 9 pan. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some deli ham, and we're gonna go ahead and slice this ham right on top of our croissants. Now this is a breakfast, so if you prefer a different meat, then go for it. You could use bacon or a sausage, but I really like ham and croissants together, so that's why I'm using that today. And you could use diced ham, but I really like the thinly sliced ham, so that's why I'm using the deli meat. All right, so let's just go ahead and make sure all of that ham is nicely separated. This is gonna be so good. I love making this breakfast casserole on like a holiday morning or a Sunday brunch. It's so easy. You could even make it the night before and then just put it in the oven in the morning. It's so delicious. You can even make this in your crock pot if you really are feeling adventurous. I think that would work great. So I'm gonna add a little bit more ham because I want a lot of meat. So this is the type of ham I'm using. It's the deli sliced smoked ham. And then we'll just use about half of this. Oh, this is gonna be good.
Whoa, this recipe looks delicious. Like the whole croissants, huh?
Yeah. Okay, that looks good. And just really get that ham in there. You could cut up your croissants too if you'd like, but that's just more work that you don't need to do. That's why I got the mini ones. Okay, almost done here. Yummy. Beautiful. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my Swiss cheese because I think Swiss goes best with ham, and we're gonna go ahead and cut our block open, and we're going to shred our Swiss cheese right into our breakfast casserole.
Oh, careful with the plastic.
Yeah. Okay, and this is just gonna shred it so easy and so nicely. I love freshly shredded cheese. It's just like a little bit extra work for such a better taste, right, babe?
Yeah, Swiss cheese with ham and croissants.
Yeah,
yes, please.
Best combo. All right, so we used about half of our block of cheese right into our casserole dish. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in with my favorite secret ingredient, garlic mustard. What? Oh yeah.
I didn't even know that existed.
It's the best mustard in the world. It's so much better than Dijon. It's kind of like a better, tastier, garlicky Dijon. And we're just gonna do a nice drizzle, if it will come out, right in there.
Squeeze it. You're having trouble, babe.
Oh, there we go, okay. We want a lot of this. Obviously this is optional. If you don't like mustard, you can just skip this part. Okay,
Oh,
delicious.
It smells delicious.
All right, now that we have our croissants, our ham, our cheese, and our mustard in our casserole dish, we're just gonna go ahead and put this to the side right now. And we're gonna bring in 6 eggs. And in those eggs, we're gonna add some half and half, about 1 cup of half and half. I'm just gonna eyeball that. Beautiful. And then we're gonna add some onion powder. Lots of onion powder because that's gonna season up the whole dish. Garlic powder. Oh, I love garlic.
Me too.
All right, and then we have our pepper grinder here. If you don't like the sound, mute it. I want lots of pepper though. Right, babe?
Yeah, you want to always put a lot of pepper with your eggs. All right, that's too much.
Okay. All right, we got some salt. I don't want that thing to go in my eggs. Just a little bit of salt right in there. Beautiful. Okay, grab your whisk and whisk these up. Oh yeah. And you can just season this however you like your eggs. You can add whatever, seasoning. You can add red pepper flakes if you want a little bit of spice. You could add some chili powder. You could add everything but the bagel seasoning. Options are endless. Okay, go ahead and get that. Those
yolks aren't breaking.
You have to go like this, but I don't want to make it messy.
Whoa.
scared of making a mess, you guys, so I don't whisk properly, but look, it worked.
There you go. That looks good.
There's one more yolk in there.
Where?
Got it. Oh yeah, okay. Once everything is well blended together, it is ready to go in with our croissant casserole. Let's go ahead and bring that back. Look at this baby, it looks so good. Look at those bright colors and that garlic mustard. I'm excited. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and drizzle this right on top of our entire casserole. Oh yeah, doesn't that look good?
Wow, I'm taking first bite. I don't care.
All right, now we're just gonna toss this real quick. Just gently mix everything together so that everything has mustard on it, everything has eggs, everything has a little bit of ham and a little bit of cheese. Oh, look at that. That looks so good. What do you think, babe?
It looks delicious. Wow.
Okay, just get those croissants. Oh, look at these ones down here. They look so good. And that mustard, I love those little seeds in the mustard. It looks so fancy and gourmet.
Yeah. These croissants here in the front need to be doused.
Yeah.
There you
Oh
go.
my, that looks incredible. Okay, get that
can't wait to eat
cheese
this.
and the ham on top. Oh yeah. What do you think, babe? How's this looking?
I think that this is going to be probably the best dessert you've ever made. I mean, best breakfast. you've ever
Breakfast?
made. I think it's a dessert because it's going to be such a treat for me.
Okay, beautiful. Now that those are all nicely covered in egg, we just smash it down so it's all in our pan. This is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and this is gonna cook for about 45 minutes. All right, you guys. Maybe left it in a tad too long, but it's okay. A little crispiness never hurt anybody. It smells incredible. Okay.
Incredible.
Let's go ahead and get some of this goodness out. Oh my, this looks so good. Okay. Just make sure you get it on all sides. Oh my, that egg.
Wow.
Whew. Let's get a little bit more of that egg, right?
Oh, that looks so good, babe.
Okay, and then personally, I love some sriracha on mine. Go ahead and give it a nice squeeze, and let's try this out. Oh,
You excited?
smells so good. I definitely want a piece of that croissant in mine. Woo.
Is it good?
That is so good. Oh, you guys have to try it.